Hey guys, it's Mr. Goliath, and this is what an old school meme used to look like with the backgrounds like that. If you look at Challenge 5, it is the old school meme. I made one earlier that looked like this. We'll see how close this one comes to looking like that. So we go back to the home. I'm going to do a new image. Whoops. Actually, I want to do create new first. And then we're going with web on this one, because those dimensions are going to be a little bit better for us. So now I can bring in my image. So I click layer, and we're going to add an image as a layer. Now again, if you wanted to use the internet, you go right ahead. I'm going to use one of myself. I think these are funnier if we do it this way. I'm going to use the wand to do some quick editing. We've done this before. And you can see it gets a lot of what I need. I could do a select all. And now I can come in with my eraser and clean up all the extra stuff. So I am not going to have you watch the whole process. I'll clean it up right now. Okay, and that's what it looks like edited. So I can deselect that. Then I can click on tool. And now I can rearrange the size of this. So we're going to make it, it's just the head, so we're going pretty much right in the middle of the picture, and that is the next step. So now I'm done with this one, and I'm going to have a little editing to do, so let me clean that up real quick. Okay, so now we're going to draw some shapes. So I'm going to add a new layer. We're going to call this one empty, and this is going to become our background actually. So I'm going to come over to the shapes here, and we're going to use the line. I changed mine to 6, and we can use this. I went with a light blue color, but you know, you can kind of make your color arrangements how you want. So the key is to start outside and come all the way down off. So I want these lines, we're going to make sure they all kind of intersect. So I come like this. And then we'll get one more kind of coming across like this. And again, I'm trying to get them all the way through. So next thing I'm going to do is drag this layer down. And then we can even change the name of this layer to background, because that's what it's going to act as. I hit enter, there's my background. I'm now going to go to my fill tool. And I'm going to click one here. And click one here, and let's get some different ones in here. Let's use this one. Click OK. So we'll get one here and one here, and then let's get one last one. Again, you're going to play with yours a little bit, get it just how you want, and there we go. There's my background. Now I'm ready for next. Okay. And one thing I realized, I think I want to move this down just a little bit, give my text a little bit more room to work. Okay, so now I'm going to add a layer, and we're going to go text, and mine was hey family, and I want the color to actually be white on this, so I'm going to click white, and then come back in here, double click, hey family. And I'm gonna also, a couple things we're going to do. I'm going to highlight this, and then we're into styles. We are going to want an outline on this, and we're going to want it to be black, or else it just won't show up that good. The size I'm going to change to 5 on mine, so it shows up nice and crisp. Now I can move this up and center it. Maybe right about there. I'm then going to duplicate by clicking the 3 dots, coming over here. We're going to duplicate the layer. Then I can drag one all the way down. And I'm going to double click in here. And instead of hey family, I'm going to put stop using all the bandwidth. Whoops, not enter. And then I can click off. And I'm done. Now I can play around with the layers and move it around, but you get the idea. I have my 2 text layers there. I have my image. I'm good to go. So now I can do File. I can do Save. I usually like the JPEGs. I like to move them up to 100%. Give it a name. Call it Old School Meme Mr. G. And then I click Download. And that's it, guys. That's how you make an old school meme. I hope you have fun with this. Again, if you want, you don't have to use your own picture, but I'm really hoping you do. They're more fun. But you can pull one in and do it the other way with an internet picture as well. But your saying should be unique. It should be your own saying. So have fun with it. Enjoy.